Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do some price analysis on District0x. We'll have a look at some potential entry points and some potential targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that we are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. District0x, which is ticker DNT, it is currently ranked 154 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a token price today of what you could call 11 cent. Look at that percentage gains. It has absolutely popped off today, 124% currently. And we'll have a look at my charts in a minute. If we look at the maximum supply, it is 1 billion, and currently it's 60% in circulation is 600 billion. We are getting 24-hour volume of $44 million, and that brings the market cap today of 60. You could call that $64 million. If we just look at market pairs where we're getting predominantly most at trading, I'm not sure how that's managed to work it out, but they're getting a lot of volume on Coinbase Pro. Binance are getting a fair bit. I'm not sure exactly why it's put 100% volume there when I don't think it's done that right. Binance, VCCX Exchange, Uniswap. So if you're wanting to get hold of some, it is fairly simple to get hold of. One final point I want to just show you is the all-time highs. That's scrolling down here, and that was pretty much at the end of that last major alt season that we had at the beginning of 2017. The all-time high was 48 cents. We are currently 78% down from all-time highs. I mean, if you just look at the chart there next to my head, if I just move up a bit, that's where it was, and that's where we are now. We have popped up, a bit of consolidation, and we've popped up again. This is probably the third video I've done in price analysis for DNT. So we'll jump over to the charts now and have a look at some potential areas to invest and some targets going forward. This chart is a little bit of a mess, so we'll tidy it up in a second, but look at that daily candle there. We've absolutely mooned. Last time I did a video was around here, and I did say potential areas to buy in was this monthly support level or this Fibonacci 618 level. We didn't quite make the 618 level, but as you can see, we bounced off this monthly area of support of 0.039. You could call that very close to 4 cents, and then we've done a bit of consolidation down here and popped up. So we'll get rid of that Fibonacci, and what I'm also going to do is just get rid of all these support and resistance levels down towards the bottom, because I don't think we're going to come back down there again, to be honest. I'll keep that monthly level in there. So what's going on? Let's just have a look at. I don't think we've got any levels above here. We've got one monthly level above. So that is the next major target. But let's have a look. Let's put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this first, and have a look at some potential areas to invest if the market does start to come down a little bit. So again, we'll put the Fibonacci on from this bottom move here, and we'll take it up to the top. So if you're looking to invest, what I always tend to do is look at the 618 level on the Fib, which is here, which pretty much corresponds with a nice area of weekly support. So if you are potentially looking at some buys, then have a look at 6.8 cent. It might not come down there because a massive bullish spike like this, I mean, people do tend to take profits, and like we have here, but you would expect orders. Personally, I would look at orders around here. If we just copy this level, I think this is a good area to target here. I will leave it on just in case the market does drop and things start to come down, because as soon as things go up in crypto, they can come down pretty quick. So personally, I would have some orders down there if you're looking to invest, 6.9 cent-ish. But this is probably going to be the more applicable area to place some orders at the 0.382 level, which is 9 cents on the nose. So if you're looking to invest, they are two areas which you could potentially look at targeting in going forward. So I'll remove the Fibonacci and just leave them two levels on there. So that's two levels to invest. If we just have a bit of a zoom out and have a look at a weekly time frame, it's looking good. So what I potentially do is have a look at some areas to, let's see if that's an area there. What I look at is support and resistance levels, which would be pretty much resistance levels at these current prices, for areas to potentially target. So as you can see, that looks like a weekly level there. So I'm just going to mark it up. Is it right tool? There we go, horizontal ray. If you look at this wick here and this wick here, they both reject off the same area. So to me, that confirms that is a valid area of weekly resistance. I'm not going to put any higher than that, but let's see if we've got any in between here, and to see if there's any way we could target potentially it might not be. Nothing there. So no, we've got no levels down that way, I don't believe. You could say there's one there actually. If you look at this wick here, we actually rejected off it and then we bounced off its support there. So 2 touches is enough to confirm that is a valid area. So we've got some levels marked up there. We have absolutely shot through this current level of weekly resistance, but we have rejected through it. What we need to do to remain bullish really is close a daily candle above 11 cent. If we do close a daily candle above 11 cent, we can start looking at this level of resistance up at 13 cent. But we do need to be wary that things can drop as soon as they've gone up. So people may see this spike and sell into it. I mean, we had a 120% rise at one point. But let's have a look at that as a percentage actually. From this bottom of a spike up to the top, 126% it was. It is currently at 86%, so we have had some sells taking place. That might have a bit of a ripple effect and bring us back down to this 382 level if you are looking to invest. So just keep your eyes on it. Have some orders in here if it does start to come down. If you see it starting to come down, then and you think, oh, it's getting a bit too close to my orders, and you think it's going to come down lower, then have some other orders down here at the 618 level, which is 6.8 cent. But sometimes on these massively bullish candles, we could pop again, so just be wary. But also we could do this again. We could come down and we could go sideways for a while. So, I mean, it's happened there. It's happened there, so there's nothing to say that this won't happen again and then pop up at a later point. So this could be a good area to invest. And then the next level is this one. Close a daily candle above 11 cent, then this is the next target at 13 cent. Once we do start to close a daily candle above 13 cent, I will jump into some further analysis and identify some more key levels to target on the USDT pair. What I also will look at is the where's the BTC pair? Let's have a look on this massive list. So here's a BTC pair. As you can see, last time I did some analysis, I identified the 618 level to buy in. We have dropped further down on that, but we've popped up now, so that could have been a good area to invest. So what I want to do is the same again. I just want to drop into the weekly time frame and see if we've got any support and resistance levels that we can identify. And even actually, I might go back to a monthly. Let's have a look on a monthly time frame. You would expect it to be something around here. Let's just work his way down from top to bottom and see what we can see. Might not get anything, but you never know. There's one level there. If you look at these 2 wicks, 1, 2, them 3 wicks are very close. That to me confirms that is a valid area of monthly. What is that? Resistance. So we're currently sat at monthly resistance. Now we have broke through it. Let's see if we've got any more levels down here. Don't want to put too many on. So nothing in that area. Drop into a weekly time frame. Again, let's see if we've got anything down at these levels. You could say there's one there. If you look at this wick in the middle, we've actually rejected off it there. And we've rejected off it here. So that is another level of weekly resistance. I think that might do for now. We've got 2 levels there. Again, we'll put a bit of a bearish scenario on the first and put the Fibonacci on. So we'll go from the bottom of a move up to the top. As you can see, we have retraced on that, so that's that one complete. Now if you're looking to invest on this, I'm going to drop right down into the daily again. There's not much to analyse there, to be honest. We'll go see if we can go a little bit low into a 4 hour. This is better. So if you're looking for an entry point here, what I'm going to do is put the Fibonacci on from the bottom of the move there all the way up to the top. So this could be a good level here. We've already wicked down there, to be honest, and we've wicked up here. So if you're looking to place some orders, I would have some orders at this 618 level, which is 197 satoshis. Also, we're currently above this area now, but I think that could also be a good area at 245 sats. Or even, if you want to do a best of both, try and aim for somewhere in the middle of that area to try and get some orders filled up. With regards to price targets, the next level really we have is massive. I mean, there could be some daily levels in here. If you look at those wicks there, that wick goes pretty much all the way through. So that's rejection. We'll just change that to a daily. That could be the next major target there. If you zoom right in, yeah, we have rejected off it there. So that is the next major target at 369 satoshis. Currently we are at 278 and we popped all the way up to 322. So 369 is a next major hurdle. I think once we do start pushing above 369 satoshis, we can aim for 525. Or even 500. Crypto does like round numbers, so it could be the next major target. But this is the next one. for current price action 369 satoshis. When we do again pop above that, I'll do some further analysis. Hopefully once we pop above here, the USDT pair also pops above there as well, if I can find it again. My list's too big. So yeah, that is analysis on BTC pairings and the USDT pair. So that's going to do it for today's analysis. If you have any questions with regards to entry points, drop into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the description. Also, if you are looking to get hold of some District0x, then I do recommend that you use Binance. You will find the link for Binance again in the pinned comment and the description. So that will do it, like I say, for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.